India-UK Free Trade Agreement. Is this deal of the decade or diplomatic drama? 13 rounds of negotiation, 3 long years and 3 different British Prime Ministers. Finally, India and UK have signed the Free Trade Agreement. But here's the catch. This isn't just another economic deal. This is about power, about the geopolitics, about the post-Brexit survival for the UK and strategic leverage for India. Another deal is on the table, and it's not just about the trade, it's about the positioning. The UK needs a win and India wants the access. But who's really gaining here? Let's break it down. The UK is desperate. After the post-Brexit, it has suggested to sign meaningful trade deals. Inflation is sticky, investor confidence is shaky, and the empire shadow long gone. And on the other hand, India, the world's largest growing economy, a young consumer base, and a government projecting itself as the next global factory. And now, India holds the cards. So, what's inside this FTA? Lower tariffs on the Scotch whisky and electric vehicles from the UK, greater access for the Indian textiles, pharma and IT services, promises on the professional mobility cautiously worded, and also the strategic cooperation in defense, AI, semiconductors. But here's the real question. Is this really a balanced partnership, or is Britain trying to sell the imperial nostalgia in the name of free trade? Not anymore. India is negotiating hard, but rightly so, as New Delhi has drawn the red lines on dairy products, digital data sovereignty, and also the agriculture safeguards. Because in the age of algorithms and AI, data is the new oil, and India won't give that away so easily. But here's what we really need to ask. Will a cut on whiskey tariffs help India's poor? Will UK student visas compensate for India's digital concerns? Who protects Indian farmers when trade is liberalized but only the subsidies stay? Remember, free trade isn't always a fair trade. The India-UK FTA could redefine the post-colonial relations or replay the old power dynamics in a new format. Because in diplomacy, every word matters, every comma counts, and sometimes the fine print tells the real story. Until next time, this is Abhiram IAS Academy, empowering you with the knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day.